Hello, boys and girls. Hope you all are doing good. We just got this week and next week. That's it. Grades are due this Friday. So that means you have to get everything done by Friday. I'm going to be nice and I'm not going to assign anything this week important. I might put like a fun little game for y'all later. I just need to make time for that. But um, your work packets, you don't need to, there's no new packet you need to work on, okay? So all I really need you to concentrate on is if you have not finished your work, and I have quite a few of you that haven't finished anything whatsoever, you need to get that done this week. You have till Friday because Monday I have to post all the grades. All right. Another thing, if you are doing the work online here, you do not need to turn in your packets. Please let your parents know if you're doing your work online for me or any of your other classes. If you're turning in your work, you don't need to go to the school to drop off your packets because we already have your grades for you. All right, save your parents the trip. Okay, like I said, I have quite a few of you that have not finished your work. You know who you are. Get to work on it. I'll try to put out another progress report so I can remind you. I've already called a lot of you. I've already told you a bunch of times. All right, there is going to be summer school online. If you're not turning in your work, you're going to get recommended for summer school. If you're going to be doing the same thing, not doing work, not logging in, they're not going to promote you to seventh grade. So please get it done, boys and girls. I really don't want you to have to repeat the sixth grade again. So get that done, please. All right. Another thing, like I said, make sure you turn in all your work and just get it done. Contact me through here, through my email. You can ask the other teachers for my phone number because I'm not going to put it out on here. If you need to contact me, all right? And if you need to talk to me, like we can do a Zoom meeting or a Google Meet meeting, whatever you need, okay? So please get that done. Now, just some reminders, all right? Here on the classwork, we have about 6 assignments that I gave you. It's not much, okay? I still have some of you, like here I have like 9 kids that haven't done it yet. Here I have 12 kids that haven't done this assignment yet. So I know who's not doing their work, guys. So don't think that I'm not checking. Okay. Here I have 10 kids, and this is the first assignment. I still have 10 kids that haven't done it. I still have 7. So you all need to get to work on that. Okay. And that's just on my first period. Another thing, for this week, just so I can have a grade for you all, on your class attendance, you're going to sign in again where it says May 11th through 15th, because that's the week we're in right now. You're going to sign in. You're going to put the date you sign in, the time, your first name, last name, and the period you're assigned to me. And that's the grade you get for this week, okay? That way you can just pass. So I know some of you have not turned in everything. It's going to be hard for some of you to turn in everything. At least sign in, okay? So that way you can get a grade. I'm not saying for you just to only do that, but if you're having a hard time, you're not going to finish your work, at least sign in, okay? Get that done. Because I need at least 3 grades from you to pass. And I'm not talking about the sign in. I'm talking about the assignments, all right? Because there's 6. I need you to do at least 3 or more so you can pass. If you do not get those 3 or more done, you will fail this class. So get that done, please, all right? Have a great week. I'll contact you all later, and hopefully everything goes good. And like I said, if you need help, let me know. Have a great week.